Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center on eBay. Many question what we have, this service what we are doing for the iPhone's laser back glass service, that is we just laser it. I want to show you what is the service actually about. When you all got the back glass broken, in that case we got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, this back glass broken, the gentleman sent it to us and we are going to laser it, that back glass, to take it easier, make it easier that you can't take the glass off. Actually, we do not remove the back glass, we just laser it for and send it back, and the buyer got their own tools and parts and is replaced it. So I'm going to show you actually what is that service mean. But I said this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We send it today, we have received it today, and we are going to laser it. Let me just make a right position. Of course, when you send the phone to us, we are going to cover the camera, that we don't give a chance possibility to damage the camera or laser go in there to damage the lens. So let's have a look. Okay, just one more time checking it. It's all look good, so perfect. Actually, what I have to do now, I have forgot to do it. I need to adjust the. No, it's all good, all green. So need to start again because I have forgot to look at this right. Honestly, we are doing the perfect to be 100% sure is easier for you. Easier to take the glass off. So now is the start to lasering that you can see. I'm making the fast forwards and we can find the result after laser. So the first laser is done. We are always lasered 2 times. We're 100% sure is easier to take a glass off. So we are going to do it the second laser again, fast forwards. So second time is done. Because it's a white color, we are laser it 3rd times. It's making it much easier to take it off. So we are carry on, you can see the difference. We carry on with the 3rd laser. It just says make it easier for you when you got your phone back to take a glass off easier. They can replace it. So we do the 3rd laser. So is the third laser is done. That you can see is different. It's much easier is now. Let me turn off that one. It's much easier is to take a glass off. So you don't need to dismantle your phone. You can send it fully without taking it apart. It's not going to make any damage. You have to make sure the camera is covered, that is not affect the camera lenses. And if you send your phone, we are going to laser it for you to take it. The idea is to people who are want just a 1 or 2 time use, because the laser machine by themselves is expensive to purchase. On that reason, we are offered that one on eBay to get it your back glass laser to take it easier off, because you can get it back glass on online marketplaces. You can get back glass replacement tools. You can get of course we're selling the tools as well. If you look in our eBay list, we're selling the tools, but this is the how you will get your phone back. We do not remove the glass back. We laser it for you, send it back, and this is your job is, and your knowledge is to take the glass off and replace it with a new one. Hope that video helped to answer your few questions. But you have any question you have, please drop me a message. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center on eBay.